What is up, guys? My name is Nico. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to style a chest rig. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go straight right into this outfit. So this first outfit is pretty much going to be how Ian Connor style his chest rig from that picture. I'm going to show you that picture right there. So it's going to be something like that. Really simple, really nice. Just a nice simple outfit. So the first piece that I'm just going to be using is going to be just a plain tee, and it's going to be just a Fruit of the Loom white tee, just something simple like that. And for the pants, I'm just going to be using a skinny jeans, just a nice black skinny jeans, and this one's from Gap. And for the shoes, I'm going to be using this dad shoes, and it's going to be the starter with the straps in the front. You guys probably already seen this on my Instagram. I've been wearing this quite a lot lately, so yeah, I'm going to be using this. With everything together, let's go see what that looks like. So the next outfit is going to be another simple outfit. Honestly, I think just a simple outfit would really look good if you're styling this chest rig. So that's why I went ahead and just throw on two simple outfits to show you guys how I style the chest rig. So I'm going to start off with the tops. For the tops, I just throw on this plain gray hoodie. Pretty simple, something like that. For the pants, I just threw on this black pants as well. This one fits a little bigger instead of the skinny jeans. I'm not sure what fit it is. Doesn't see anywhere, but it's a bigger fit because I do want to put our outfit a little more oversized. And for the shoes, I'm just gonna throw on this Air Force Ones to add more to the fit. Yeah, but with that everything, let's go see what the outfit looks like.